Phamandla Mphele from Waterzen Cycling, Assistant Project Manager. So namhlanje sise-Daisy Racetrack senza i-road race yamabhayisikili. Inhloso yalo mdlalo ukuthi i-road commission ibihlala phansi yabuka ukuthi ke nangathi ama-road races ayancipha e-KZN. So sizama ukuthi siwavuseleleke nanokuthi-ke sizama ukuyi-introducer ey'koleni kube umdlalo owaziwayo ey'koleni kuyi-road racing because ey'koleni eziningi kwenziwa i-mountain biking.
Igama nguSembiso Makhuluse, ngihlala nglaphana eSitha, ngingaphansi kwa-KZN Cycling Development esikwenzayo esijobisa izingane. Sibhesi kakhulu ezikoleni ne-community. Ama-training wami la ngwenzela khona mesenza ama-community. Siwenzela lapha e-Uku Sports and Leisure njalo ngama-weekend. It depends, sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday. So but ngiyakwazi ukuxhumana nabazali ngibazise.
So lana-ke sinama-series esiwenzeke aqala last year nje besilana nje sibuya kwi-series ebeyenzeka e-M13, then size kule from there kuzomove abanye kuyiwe e-Richards Bay, from Richards Bay then ama-finals akhona azoba kwi-Port Durban. So sizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi sithi umdlalo uye ebantwini.
Igama loSipho Sethu ifando kaMathiyela. Ndize apha nge-sports sami endisithandayo. That's my hope, bicycle. Ibhayisikili ndihlangane nalo from eMonkhari, Kokstad. Indawo beseMonkhari, ibhayisikili ndahlangana nalo, uqala ukuhlangana nalo ndantisha usisi wami. I was 6 years. Ndantisha usisi wami ibhayisikili ndaqala ukubona ngo-2023.
Ibhayisikili ngaqala ngina-5 ngingaka-gym mese kwathi ngo-2023 ngaqala ngajima e-Sports and Leisure.
Coach wami ehlele ntshela ukuthi cornering always apply your brakes and uyilento stamina sakho futhi ukwazi ukusigcina, ungasikhiphi sonke the same time. And futhi mawusuke ngendlela eyiyo, ama-brake wabambe ngendlela eyiyo, ungashaya itayi, bambe nje ngendlela e-right.
Manje ngibona nalomgqomo wakade edlula la kadiyali ngithi sona uyena nje ispeed ahamba ngaso. Manje mina ngine-skill kakhulu, yabo. Manje ngingathola ukuthi mhlambe la angazi kuthiwa kunamathi somewhere ngingafike ngenze enye into laphayana bona abangebaze kwanga ngoba ispeed angikho mnandi kusona, kodwa mase kuthiwa nje ngiyahamba kahle hle ngingajabula nami kuthiwa angiyele kuyodlala i-district. Ya ngaba right ngayikho inkinga, ngajabula kakhulu.
Hello, my name is Rita Snyman and I'm from KZN. This race was very good. It was a technical course. It was on the track and it was lots of climbing for 5Ks a lap. I took the training for the week towards this race pretty good. I had 2 rest days and I raced yesterday in Bloemfontein, a cross-country race. So I thought I could come give this a smash. I think it went well.
Ngihappy. Ya nginalethemba lokuthi le position ngifuna ukuyithola ngizoyithola. Nje ngihappy namhlanje. Ngiyimina nje. Ngi-right. Ayikho into ngihlusha ukuthi hayi ngi-right. Happy.
Sidlale amalona awu-7 ngizibone nge-right. Ngithanda into akesiyenza because bayasiqoqoza ukuze siqhubeke sikwazi nathi.
Ngidlalile ngaphuma number 1 emantombazaneni, ebafaneni ngaphuma number 3. Ngizizwe engathi ngiqinile bafanele bashasha.
Into engiyifundile ukuthi awunaki abantu ohamba nabo. Ngisho ngathiwa nireyisa nabafana namantombazane. As long uma uhambile wayithola into kade uyidinga.
Into eningi challenge kakhulu namhlanje ama-climbs maninzi, after climbs ama-dry.
Hayi beku-right bona kodwa ney'hliziyo bezisho nabo bazojoyina noma befuna ukujoyina ngoba bebona ukuthi engathi kumnandi kuyidlisa clean.
Two years ago, I started cycling, but I started slow. I was easy with the start, and then I raced a few school races, and I really enjoyed it. And I enjoyed watching my dad races, longer races like Sun to see. And then I started falling in love with the sport, and I was coached by a Tipping Point until the beginning of the year, and then I stopped because I wouldn't want to go so serious. So I started riding with my dad, and my dad started coaching me. And I raced duathlons, triathlons, mountain bike races. So I just race everything, and I try enjoy it all. And I think going up to this race, my plan was to just give it beans the whole race and enjoy it.
Okay, i-netball ngingazama ukuyidlala ama-steppings akhona ayabe yangidide ne. Yabona ukuthi okay, vele kumabhayisikili akho ama-steppings akayikho into enzima kwibhayisikili, ufunda kancane and ukwazi ukuqhubeka udlala amabhayisikili.
Besireyisa u-35 kilometer. Besikawabala ama-kilometer besijima ngama-laps, maybe senze 10 laps. Then ready for the race namhlanje.
Amabhayisekile sinawo, ingane noma ingenalo ibhayisekile, ingane siyakwazi ukuyisondeza kuthina. Akukho ukuthi ngoba enalo ibhayisekile ngezikwazi ukufika. So amabhayisekile sebenzisa wona nje amabhayisekile normal, ama-charge nama-BMX.